Hello and welcome. I hope you have already started preparing for your Jamb 2020. This is a preparation lectures for it. We are going to be looking at past questions, and we're starting with opposite in meaning, antonyms in English language. Make sure that you've hit the subscribe button by the right hand side of the screen so that anytime we'll pop up new videos, whether it is for lectures or past question revisions, you'll be the first to see them. In this our channel, we're going to be going through the past questions. We're going to also be releasing some videos for lectures on specific subjects that you'll be taking in your Jamb. So hit the subscribe button immediately, click on the bell icon so that you receive alerts whenever we release videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the like button, give us thumbs up, and if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Let's get rolling immediately. In each of the questions 36 to 50, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. As an idiot, the boy is weak in class. The options are a deviant, B, a dunce, this is dunce, you, an expert, D, a genius. So which of the following words is opposite in meaning to the word idiot? For us to be able to understand this, we need to first of all know the meaning of the word idiot. Idiot simply means a stupid person, somebody that is informal. Now the options: A, deviant, simply means a person who departs from the normal standard. That means somebody that is not following rules. A dunce is a person who is slow at learning. An expert is a person who has great knowledge or skills in a particular area, whereas a genius is somebody with exceptional ability, somebody that is able. So we can simply see that the opposite of idiot, which is somebody that is stupid, is somebody that is exceptionally able, somebody that is a genius. So that makes D the answer to this. I'm going to color this D red. Oh, sorry. So D is the right answer to this. Now let's look at the second question. We were shocked by the news that he had lost the money. So the word we are looking at here is shocked. So what is the opposite to shocked? Now shocked simply means a sudden, upsetting or surprising event or experience. When somebody is surprised at something, when something is a news is very upsetting. So which of these words is the opposite? Now we have A, astonished, B, disconcerted, C, unconcerned, D, surprised. So which is the opposite? So it's either that you're shocked, and shocked is what we call upsetting or sudden. Astonished simply means surprised or impressing. So you can see that astonished is similar to shocked, but we are looking at the opposite. What is disconcerted? Disconcerted means to make someone feel anxious or uneasy or confused. Whereas unconcerned means lack of worry or interest. That means you're calm, you're not worried, you're not upset, you're not shocked. So C is actually the opposite in meaning. Then D is surprise, and surprise simply means almost the same thing as shocked and astonished. So we can see that from all these that the answer is C. So let's move on. 38. The principal was advised to be flexible on critical issues. So the word we are looking at is flexible. What is the opposite to flexible? Is it livid? Is it cautious? Is it evasive? Or is it rigid? So what is the meaning of flexible? Flexible simply means able to change or be changed to adapt to different circumstances. That is the meaning of flexible. You can easily change. Livid simply means furiously angry, somebody that is angry. It's not related now. Then cautious simply means somebody that is careful to avoid possible problems. Careful. C, evasion. Evasion simply means a statement that avoid dealing with something. You're avoiding something. Whereas rigid simply means not able to change. Not able to change. You see, the word is flexible, changing easily. Whereas the opposite should be not able to change. So from this we can simply see that D is the answer to the problem. Now let's look at question number 39. Bola always looks sober. The word we are looking at is sober. And sober simply means not drunk. If you're not drunk, then you're sober. If you take too much of intoxicating drinks, then you become drunk. But if you're not drunk, you're using your eye, then you're sober. So sober simply means somebody that is serious and sensible. Now we look at the options: excited, serious, worried, and helpless. Excited simply means make someone feel very enthusiastic and eager. Serious simply means solemn and thoughtful or needing careful consideration. Worried simply means feeling or showing or expressing anxiety. And helpless simply means unlucky. So you can see that the opposite of sober is either you're sober. Sober simply means that you're calm or that you're excited. So if you're not sober, then you're very excited. Excitement could be because of drink or something. So you can see that A is the answer to this. So we'll color it red. Now let's go on. Dupe was promoted for her efficiency. The word we are looking at is efficiency. So what is the opposite in meaning to the word efficiency? What is efficiency, by the way? Efficiency simply means the quality of being efficient or being something that is well done. That is efficient. Now, ability, A, simply means the power or capacity to do something. B, incompetence simply means not skillful enough to do something. So not done well, that is incompetence. So from there you can see that the opposite of efficiency is already incompetence before we finish checking out the other options. Then the other options is inconsistency. Inconsistency simply means something that is not continuous or something that is having different parts or differs from one another or contradicts from each other. Then rudeness simply means impolite or bad manners. So you can see that the opposite of efficiency is incompetence, because in efficiency you're showing skill and capacity to effectively do something successfully, whereas in incompetence you're showing that you don't have the ability or capacity to execute a task. Now let's look at question number 44. The management wants to consider her reticent behavior in due course. The word is reticent. What is the meaning of reticent? Reticent simply means not revealing your thoughts or feeling readily. So something that is hidden in terms of revealing. Now you talk about A, disapproving. Disapproving simply means a person who simply means think that someone or something is wrong or bad. To think that something is bad, that is disapproving. Disciplinarian is a person that enforces firm discipline. Now we'll look at contemplative. Contemplative, it means showing or involving deep thoughts or meditation. Whereas the loquacious simply means tending to talk a great deal. So if you're showing by talking, that means you're loquacious. So reticent is when you're not revealing something, whereas loquacious is when you're showing it, when you're talking so much. So you can see that D is the correct answer to these. Now let's look at the election processes. Election processes often become volatile. Election processes often become volatile. What is the opposite of volatile? Now the meaning of volatile is liable to change rapidly or unpredictably, something that is changing very quickly. So option A is calm. You can already see that the opposite of volatile is calm already, even before we go through. So I'm going to quickly color it before we continue looking at the other explanation. Strange simply means unusual or surprising. Sudden simply means occurring or done quickly or unexpectedly. So you can see that sudden and volatile are very similar. Then latent simply means existing but not yet developed, apparent or active. So let's move on. Oche entered the principal's office in a rather abrasive manner. Abrasive simply means able to polish or clean a hard surface by rubbing or grinding. Something that is harsh or unkind. That is the meaning of abrasive. So A simply means gentle. Gentle is mild or kind. So you can already see that the opposite of abrasive is calm, because kind or unkind. So the opposite of abrasive is gentle. So abrasive manner is a very harsh manner, whereas gentle is the opposite. So A is the answer to this. Now Otoba, okay, let me look at rude. What is the meaning of rude? Rude simply means offensively impolite or bad manners. Then we have lackadaisical. The lackadaisical simply means lacking enthusiasm or thoroughness, something that is very dull. Then indifferent. Indifferent simply means having no interest in something or feelings for something. So we're going to be stopping here. In subsequent classes, we are going to look at more words. You can see the way we approach this. We looked at the word that we want to look at, and we gave you the definitions of the other words that are following it, the very word that we are looking at. In subsequent classes, we are going to be taking a wholesome look at this. We are going to be looking at other subjects. Please hit the subscribe button immediately so that whenever we release similar videos, you'll be the first to see set. If you have any questions and concerns or topics that you want me to work on, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.